Good morning, one and all. Today I am going to start with the new topic, that is benzene diazonium chloride. The compound benzene diazonium chloride having a lot of importance from the industrial point of view. The compound is used in the preparation of dye. Generally, it is used in the preparation of dye. Now, how this compound is prepared in the laboratory and which reaction shown by this compound. Now see the methods of preparation. The compound which contains N2Cl group which is directly attached to the benzene is called as benzene diazonium chloride. Now see the structure of the compound. N negative attraction मध्ये Cl N Cl and triple bond N positive attraction मध्ये Cl negative. अशा प्रकारे पण या कंपाऊंडला तुम्ही डोनेट करू शकता, डिनोट करू शकता. दॅट इज बेन्झीन विच इज अ डायझोनियम ग्रुप क्लोराइड. The Cl negative is in attraction with this N positive. The compound is called as benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride, that is BDC, shortly termed as a BDC, benzene diazonium chloride. Now, how the compound is prepared in the laboratory? What is the preparation? The compound, it can be prepared by the reaction of aniline with sodium nitrite and HCl under 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. It forms a benzene diazonium chloride. Now see how it is prepared. Methods of preparation of benzene diazonium ammonium. You can say that the benzene diazonium halide also, halide it may be chloride, bromide, iodide. But the benzene diazonium chloride is in your syllabus. Benzene diazonium chloride, that is benzene diazonium chloride. Now, methods of preparation, how it is prepared? It can be prepared by the reaction of aniline. It can be prepared by the reaction of aniline with the mixture of NaNO2, sodium nitrate plus HCl at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. That is, there is a diazotization reaction. By this mixture, nitrosonium ion, that NO positive, is formed. This nitrosonium ion acts as electrophile which attacks over this aniline and forms a benzene diazonium chloride. Cl. Can say that this is, we can write as a like, or we can write as a and here N positive attraction, Cl negative. We can write as benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. or this is a benzene diazonium the low temperature is maintained 0 to 5 degrees Celsius for the diazo digestion because the formation of diazo group from the aniline and mixture of NaNO2 and HCl. This is the aniline. This is a mixture of sodium nitrite and concentrated HCl. And then from this nitrosonium electrophile is formed. This nitrosonium electrophile attacks over aniline and forms a benzene diazonium chloride. In this way, the benzene diazonium chloride is prepared from aniline and a mixture of NaNO2 and HCl at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. Now, how this benzene diazonium chloride it reacts? How it is reacts? Now see the different reaction. The benzene diazonium chloride shows the three different type of reaction. These three are the reaction in which the replacement of all N2 and Cl group. The reaction in which only Cl group is replaced, second, and the reaction in which the N2 retention of N2 and Cl group. These are that is reduction reaction. These are the three reactions which is shown by the benzene diazonium chloride. This benzene diazonium chloride having a lot of synthetic utility from the industrial point of view because from this benzene diazonium chloride we can prepare a number of organic compounds. Therefore, it is having a lot of synthetic utility from the industrial point of view. Now see how it is reacts with different reagent and number of organic compound is formed. When benzene diazonium chloride, first synthetic transformation, of benzene diazonium chloride, benzene diazonium chloride into different organic compounds, Now, how it is N2Cl. This is benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. It reacts with H3PO2 plus H2O. It forms that N2Cl group replaced by a hydrogen. That is replacement of diazonium chloride by the hydrogen. And we can prepare an aromatic compound plus H3PO3. This is H3PO2 is the hypophosphorus acid. This is H3PO3 is the phosphoric acid plus HCl. HCl, H3PO3, one H with Cl, HCl, and one H with this. That N2Cl get replaced by this hydrogen. Now the reaction is balanced. Then the benzene is formed, and therefore the benzene is formed. Benzene, which having a lot of utility from the laboratory and industrial point of view, it is used as a solvent, which is aromatic benzene. The aromatic benzene can be prepared by the reaction with hypophosphorus acid, benzene diazonium chloride with aqueous hypophosphorus acid. In this way, the benzene can be prepared. This is the first synthetic transformation of benzene diazonium chloride to benzene. Now, how BDC, that benzene diazonium chloride, reacts with a different reagent, that a Sandmeyer reaction is taken place. A Sandmeyer reaction. Sandmeyer. In Sandmeyer reaction, benzene diazonium chloride into Cl, short BDC, we term as a benzene diazonium chloride, that is BDC. When reacts with a different reagent at a different condition, it forms a different compound. When BDC reacts with CuCl in HCl, it forms a chlorobenzene. When benzene diazonium chloride reacts with CuBr in HBr, it forms a bromobenzene. And when it reacts with CuCN in presence of HCN, it forms a cyanobenzene. Chlorobenzene, which is a bromobenzene, and this is a cyanobenzene. In this reaction, plus N2 get liberated and HCl. Here N2 plus HCl. Here also N2 plus HCl. N2 get liberated in and is with the elimination of nitrogen and HCl in all these reactions. That cuprous chloride. When benzene diazonium chloride reacts with cuprous chloride in presence of hydrogen, that hydrochloric acid, hydrogen chloride, it forms a chlorobenzene, that with the liberation of N2 and HCl. When the benzene diazonium chloride reacts with CuBr in HBr, it forms a bromobenzene with the liberation of N2 and HCl. When benzene diazonium chloride reacts with cuprous cyanide in presence of hydrogen cyanide, it forms a cyanobenzene with the liberation of N2 and HCl. These reactions generally proceed in forward direction by the formation of a free radical. That is, the Sandmeyer reaction proceeds in forward direction by the formation of a free radical. In this way, the different aromatic halobenzene can be prepared. Chlorobenzene, bromobenzene and cyanobenzene. Cyanobenzene, halobenzene can be prepared from the benzene diazonium chloride. Therefore, I previously said that the reaction or the BDC, benzene diazonium chloride, having a lot of synthetic utility. From this we can prepare a different compound with a different reagent. Now, this is the second. The reaction is known as Sandmeyer reaction. That formation of chlorobenzene, bromobenzene and cyanobenzene from benzene diazonium chloride is called as, with a suitable reagent, is called as Sandmeyer reaction. Now, the Gattermann reaction, third is the benzene diazonium chloride into Cl reacts with Cu powder, copper powder, in presence of halogen acid HX. It forms a that halobenzene with the liberation of N2 plus HCl. This is a halobenzene. In this way, the reaction, this is a BDC, benzene diazonium chloride. I shortly term as a BDC. When it reacts with copper powder in presence of hydrogen halide, it gives the halobenzene with the liberation of nitrogen and HCl. This reaction is called as Gattermann reaction. This reaction is known as Gattermann reaction. In this way, the halobenzene can be prepared by the reaction of BDC with copper powder and hydrogen halide with hydrogen halide. Then fourth is the replacement by OH, replacement by OH group. When benzene diazoxide chloride N2Cl reacts with aqueous solution of in presence of H positive dilute H2SO4, benzene diazoxide chloride with aqueous solution of dilute H2SO4, it forms a phenol OH. Here HCl and N2 plus N2 plus HCl. Here phenol is formed. From benzene diazoxide chloride we can prepare the phenol also. Phenol is having a lot of synthetic utility. When benzene diazoxide chloride reacts with aqueous solution of dilute sulfuric acid, it forms a phenol with the liberation of N2 and HCl. This is the fourth reaction of benzene diazoxide chloride. Then replacement by iodine, replacement by fifth is the replacement by iodine. When benzene diazoxide chloride N2Cl reacts with Ki, potassium iodide, aqueous Ki, benzene diazoxide chloride reacts with potassium iodide, that is aqueous potassium iodide, it forms a iodobenzene plus N2 plus KCl, that is iodobenzene. Iodobenzene can be prepared from benzene diazoxide chloride. When benzene diazoxide chloride reacts with aqueous potassium iodide, it forms a iodobenzene with the liberation of N2 and Cl. In this way, these are the 5 methods of that transformation of benzene diazoxide chloride into different compounds with the reaction with different reagent. Now, the remaining reaction we will discuss in tomorrow's lectures. Thank you.